first US Air Force plane landed to India. It's Amritsar Sri Guru Ramdas International Airport, and 104 people of Indian immigration are being deported by the US and landed 104 people for various states. That was 30 people from Punjab, 33 from Haryana, 33 from Gujarat, 3 from Maharashtra, 3 from UP and 2 from Chandigarh. The Indian government take them to reached out their own state or their own house or their own city. Last month after taking oath, the Donald Trump spoke out that we must have to end the immigrant problem, and India support them because immigrant problem is very much problem to every country. It's decline its image, and also it's happen organized crime. In this context, India spoke out, Indian External Affairs Minister spoke out that we must have to support the deported of US immigrant. And also External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar spoke out, we must have come back, we must have to extradite our people who have, after it's a process of legal documentation. He mentioned that. And in this context, US, they must have to reach any other country where have the immigrant, it sent its plane to Peru, it sent its plane to Honduras also. Actually in Punjabi, they are go way to USA in a donkey routes. Donkey routes mean unethical way. To illegal way reach out USA many Punjabi. How is the way? It can be to provide them money or something illegal way they reached out to, or some bribe, by the bribe they reached out to USA. That's illegal way. It's speak donkey rules. So donkey rules way many people from Punjab, they are reached out to USA. And it's the first deported, after that continuously deported to India and many other countries where many people are living illegal migrants in the USA. So after it can be happened to after 1 week, Prime Minister Modi reached out to USA, and must there have been a discussion with Prime Minister Modi and Donald Trump how it solved the problem of Indian immigration. Because in after taking oath ceremony, Donald Trump he spoke out that here he banned the normal birthright citizenship. He banned. In this context, many people, they must have to come back to India. It's likely 1.25 crore people who are already lived in USA who have not the citizenship of USA. They are wait for their child general birth and after that got natural citizenship. But Donald Trump spoke out that and Donald Trump, it's banned to birthright citizenship. In this context, 1.25 crore Indian people, they must have come to India back. And this process already started by 104 people to send back to India by US Air Force.